let's start in a counterclockwise pinwheel and turn to the left, come into overhand weave, and do a right turnaround 360, and then do a left turnaround 360, and then we're going to do the giant on the left, and then we're going to turn to the right to the underhand giant. Yes, and then we're going to turn left into the swivel, so the counterclockwise swivel, front to back, front to back, front to back. Then we're going to come into the chasing the sun. And then from the chasing the sun, we're going to come up over, wrap the poi into overhand buzzsaw on the left. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to plane shift this sucker down onto the right arm so it goes horizontal. So we're here like this. We're plane shifting gradually like this. Now, from horizontal, we're going to go into the counterclockwise short poi corkscrew. This. Yeah. And then this, counterclockwise. Yeah. A little a little triple layer cake action. So here's the triple layer cake. Your right is on bottom in the buzzsaw. Then you go into the corkscrew, and then you end with the right on top in the buzzsaw. So you switch the orientation using the corkscrew. Okay, so now can you come into it? Yes. Okay, so play with that a little. Lower your arms down. So not covering your face, more like chest height. Yeah. Now do a separation where you just open your arms like this. All you do is just open your arms while you're going up and down and then come back together. So we're in the corkscrew. One way to get into it if you're struggling is to imagine you're going to go over your head and then the second time just go over the arm without going over the head. So this is the snake charmer. I'm teaching you a new move. So this is the corkscrew. Separated out like this is the snake charmer, right? Because you have that little, and then we come back together. Ah, nice. And then separate, and then come back together. Again, imagine you're going over your head, then the second time just go over the arm. Yeah, so it's coming in front of your face, right? Now you're going to open it. Nice. And come back together. And open it. And come back together. And then open it. And come back together. And open it. And come back together. Like chase the sun up over the top, wrap, plane shift, come into the corkscrew, snake charmer, corkscrew, snake charmer, corkscrew, snake charmer, turn, and then you could go into that like this one, and then release on the turn, right?